bike packing trip do-over, right? Yes. Only ready to go. We got 7 miles. Well, no, we'll take a offshoot, so maybe 4 miles of road riding. So chances of getting hit by a car are pretty high. What'd you say?
You know, just chilling on the red ant pile.
What are you doing? Airing up? You're aired for soft riding?
Apparently I wanted red ants all over my bike. So that'll be cool. Keep me going fast.
Okay. Probably won't record much of this part because it's gonna just be road, and road is stupid. Oh, we're halfway done with the road. We made it to the beginning of the loop. What? Alright. Getting sweaty. About 15 miles in to the 76-mile loop or whatever it is. This is gorgeous. Let's see if we can catch Casey saying something dirty. If he doesn't know that I'm recording.
We're used to squats, okay? You've done like 9,000 sets. 9,000 sets of squats. We're done, brother.
That was mild. Oh, sand. Whew. We've come to Mars with trees.
So uppy and downy, bud. The ups are really uppy and the downs are just as downy.
Where are we? Entering Cathedral Valley. Oh, it's toasty. It's been such a long winter. This is the first time I've been hot outside. And it's April. Good views. I think we're almost to camp. found camp. Just gotta set up tent. Having bean burritos for dinner. Casey's just opening his can. Wow,
Best can opener ever.
actually worked.
You want to eat it?
No. Watching the sunset at like 6:45. Won't be dark for a while though. But we're all set up. Hello. It is 7:45. Just came up here to see if I had service, which I do not. Maybe I can show you where we went today. So that's us. This is the loop that we're doing. We started down here and we went along the road and over here and then got on the dirt road and came up here, and that's where we're camped. Just outside of Capital Reef National Park. You're not allowed to camp inside the park unless you have a permit. So literally, like, I don't know, maybe half a mile is the park boundary. So we either do 30 something tomorrow or we do 43 miles tomorrow and get back to the truck. On bike.com it says this is a 2-day trip, so one night, 2-day trip. But you'd have to start, I think, pretty early in the morning, and we didn't start until probably around 1 o'clock. I don't know, we'll see. Just enjoying the nothingness. We decided to have a fire because we can. It's April, there's no fire season yet, and we're on BLM land, so we can have a fire. Once in a while you get a moo from a cow or a car driving by. It's not very many though, there's only been like 3 cars drive by since we made camp. It's supposed to be a full moon tonight, but not until like 10 o'clock.
National Dark Skies site.
Yeah. Capital Reef is in, what's it called? National Dark Sky. Sky gazing, stargazer destination.
Let's see stars really well. No light pollution.
Very little light pollution. Good morning. We didn't die in the night. Yay! Just getting packed up. Let's take a look at Casey's setup here.
Don't shame me on camera.
Oh, that pad looks so nice. The thing is like twice the size of mine.
It's the biggest pad Climate makes.
That's awesome. Well, we're on the road again. Gone about 4 miles. It's beautiful out here. This road is really rough going though. A lot of corrugation. And I have my shirt off. First time I've had my shirt off this year. It's been such a long winter. Haven't seen anyone today. It's Easter weekend and there's nobody out here. Well, look, we're entering officially into Capital Reef National Park. We camped on BLM land. Still haven't seen a single person today. It's a Saturday, and tomorrow is Easter Sunday. This place is desolate. Haven't had service since we left. We lost service before we even left the truck. Found the first water. We're having fun. Oh, shaping up to be a good day. Love this overcast. And look at the views. It's no wonder this is called Cathedral Valley. This out. Those are some big walls. I mean, I've seen bigger in like canyon lands, but these ones look like they're mud. It's crazy. I've lived in Utah my whole life, 34 years, and I've never been here before. And now I'm here on a bike. I think we're almost up at the uphill part. We just come up this hill from way down there, almost at the snow line. You can see the snow up there. I think we're at least halfway on the route. So, I don't know, 30, 35 more miles if we decide to do it all today. It's a good day though. What time is it? 11:45. Oh, we just got done with the walking section. We came from down there. Pretty good view. Wahoo! Wahoo! Well, we just did about 5 miles in 20 minutes. So a lot of downhill. First big downhill of this whole ride. It's awesome. Got 10 miles to go. Hello from the moon. Okay. You have a snack?
You want a snack?
Oh, maybe.
A lot of them.
What do you got, sweet?
Snickers?
I'll have a Snickers.
There you go.
It's like hot right now, huh? Is it melty?
Probably fine.
We're getting there. Just met this cow. She's not very friendly. Here's Casey. I think we only have about 5-6 miles to go. So we're getting there. Trucking. We're trucking. We're in a river.
Didn't even come up to your knees. It came up to my
Oh, that was fun.
You did that whole race? Do that?
Oh, we made it back to the road. Yay! 1 more mile. $70 miles. Oh. Back to the beautiful Chevy Colorado, which has AC. Oh, that was a good one. Those last 5 miles, I tell you what, didn't think they were ever gonna end, but we're here. We did it. There's Casey. Well, awesome. We're heading home. 2 hours. We should be there by dark. Grab some dinner on the way. Call it good. We did it!
Do it again!
Yeah! No. Okay, bye.